Hey there, I'm sure you're stuck home with the kids trying to do schoolwork like I am as we continue to pray for our nation and for everyone who's impacted by the coronavirus. But I was walking down my hallway and I just glanced up and I saw all this dust in my return vent. So I went downstairs, checked my air filter. Look at this thing, almost all black. I hate to admit, I don't remember the last time I changed it. And when's the last time you changed yours? It's not something that we always think about. So I got a clean one, and guess what? So this never happens again. I've already put a reminder on my calendar to tell me every 30 days, change my filter. Be safe out there.